Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Facebook video recommendations. First of all, open your Facebook app in your mobile device. And after you reach to your profile, on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Tap on that. And over here, scroll all the way to the bottom and select settings and privacy. Go to the settings over here. And after here, what you have to do is scroll a bit down until you found your activity option and select the activity log. And over here what you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and we could see the logged information. Select that. And over here what you have to do is tap on the manage search. And simply on the top we could see the trash option. Tap on that. And select all and delete it. And go back, also tap on the manage search option. Simply archive or you could trash it. Go to the search option over here and tap on the videos you've searched for. If there's any videos, you can simply delete it, and after that the Facebook will be reset with other new video recommendations. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.